Hello everyone. In today's video, we are pleased to introduce Enterpark, a leading company specializing in the sale of genuine OEM appliance parts. The Enterpark WH38X10017 and WH38X10019 shaft and shifter assemblies are high-quality replacement parts for GE and Hotpoint washing machines. This connects the motor to the washplate and switches the drive system between agitation and rotation cycles. This part is compatible with a variety of washing machine models, including those from GE and Hotpoint. What are the symptoms of a bad shaft and shifter assembly? Some common signs of a bad shaft and shifter assembly include: if the washing machine is experiencing any of these problems, it is important to inspect the shaft and shifter assembly for damage. If the part is damaged, it should be replaced immediately. How to install the shaft and shifter assembly? To install the shaft and shifter assembly, I suggest referring to a video made by an expert. Ensure to unplug the washer and wear work gloves to protect your hands. Is the shaft and shifter assembly an OEM part? Yes, the Enterpark WH38X10017 and WH38X10019 shaft and shifter assembly is an OEM part. This means that it is the same part that is used by the manufacturer of the washing machine. OEM parts are typically of higher quality than aftermarket parts, and they are more likely to fit and work properly. Thank you for your help. You're welcome.